A day in my life, asuyaon, diri sa social media. Sige kong pangbash day. Magbutang ta din kuan day kuan sa tong pilok mata kay para na tayong kabayo nito para malaki talaga yung ating pilik mata day. Aalis kami for today video. Okay? Daddy don't get jacket on. Where's your jacket? Is it in the car? Aalis muna kami day for today video day. Aalis muna ang aming pamilya day. Ang kanilang papa nandoon sa kuan. Uy, nandoon sa likuran naghanap ng kuan. Yung princess ni Inday Genie, yung batig na nga kuan ba? Tsaka dal ni Inday kasi daw nawala. Tapos ayun, pinuntahan ng kanyang papa doon sa gubat. Medyo malayo-layo siguro yun day. Maganda-ganda yung ating sunlight today. Pero hoy, diri kay tugnaw. Yung kanilang jacket kung nandito ba day?
No.
Gusto jacket here? Ha?
No.
Dako na akong tiyan And this one.
Why?
It's Chinese. Mommy. Bawasa lang. Ikaw. Show me. Where's your princess? Where's your princess? Ayan, yan yung pinanghihinahanap ng kanyang tatay. Ang batik kag nawong. Okay, alis na po tayo da. Maglakaw muna kami pero merong ano ba, postman. Mabuti naman ako ngayon no, hindi masyado akong nag-aano muna. Hindi pa ako nagsusuka.
About the thing, and now she's sat behind me now, annoying me now about a fidget spinner.
But we fix your uniform first. We go to where we go and then we find your fidget spinner.
Second?
Yeah.
Yay.
Go, uniform first. Kahapon, ano lang yung sakit ko, yung pagsisipon ba, tapos, are we going? There's postman, manggod? I don't think I have. Nagsakit akong sipon at saka, yun na nga, grabe yung aking ubo. Pero ngayon, wala pa akong wala pa akong masyadong pagsusuka at saka, yes? Imagine if we have kuan there now.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Because I ordered the kids those. I don't think it will arrive today. Yes? Yeah. Is it? What dinner? What's...
When I looked on the line, I'm sure it said 1 till 2 closed for lunch. You know, AP, what do they call it?
Oh, so we're going now. You should be the one to drive more quick. It's more quick.
Well, when we get there, do you want me to drive then to Cardiff on the motorway? Yeah? So you drive to this place then and I'll drive to Cardiff, okay? It's sweating.
Is it far, Dai?
Yeah, underneath the bridge. You know the bridge?
Is it?
The bridge that goes over, it's underneath. You know, underneath by the bushes. Down there, there's like
Look at the slide.
There's a path.
Slide.
Where?
Where did I throw that?
It's a big one, isn't it? We should have that.
Yeah.
Swap it and put our little one.
Where is it?
Swerte ako dahil kaya wala pa ako nagsusuka masyado. Medyo normal pa yung aking mga binabatyag sa aking sarili. This way, right? In Tesco?
Towards
Tesco.
Get a fidget spinner in Tesco's if you want.
But I don't know if they have it there.
I've never seen one in Tesco's, have you?
It's hard to find one. We buy that in there, my friend.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking well.
And relax. And relax. Are we all relaxed? Feel it, JJ. Deep breath. And now so.
Nag-a-advise yung kanilang daddy.
Girl. So right, we all relax now, because I got to drive a long way now. Nice and easy, does it? Right then.
I think your advice is gonna do it again, daddy.
Yeah?
Yes. And relax.
And relax. Deep breath, Jessica. Deep breath, hold it a little out slow.
Patawa man itong masawa ko. Eh.
Nice and easy.
Patawa si daddy. Huh? What's wrong? Why are you crying? No, she just said no. Jennifer, stop it now, okay? Sus. Nandoon yung kanilang daddy sa liko. Ay, yun no? Doon, oh, yun, yung pumasok. Nagkiang-kiang pa yan, day. Nagkailangan niyang ireklamo yung uniform ni Inday Jessica dahil mali yung binigay nila sa amin na cardigan. Kaya nandun siya. You okay? Are you okay? Is your eyes itchy again? Yes? Jenny's eyes itchy too? Yes? What is it? Agoy, nahulog na naman yung kanyang princess.
I'm going in the JJ. It's full.
Ayan, yung paborito ni Inday Jeannie na princess ko, no? Hindi na yan siya makatulog pag wala yan yung kanyang ano ba yan na animal. Dito na tayo, day. Mga 30 minutes away ito dito galing sa bahay. So, medyo malayo-layo talaga yung aming binahay. Dahil medyo ano siguro to dito ngayon. Malamig. University pala ito dito, day. Oh, maganda, no? It's so big.
Why you not going, Daddy? Why you not going fidget spinner?
Imagine studying like that school.
Daddy, why you not?
Enjoy na si Inday Jenny, day. Okay, nandito na kami sa syudad. Are you happy, JJ? Happy ka?
Is it?
Look.
Oh yeah, yeah, you've got the camera on there, haven't you?
Your wife again speaking. Jenny, happy ka?
Ryan!
Ang ganda dito sa syudad nila, day, no? Andun yung aking mga anak naglalakad. Ang dami nilang request. Oy, si Jessica gusto ng fidget spinner. Si Jennifer gusto ng ride daw siya first. What is it, Jennifer? Ha? Sulitin natin tong paglalakad natin kay next time. Meron na naman tayong maliit na bata at magpa-prom na naman tayo. Tuesday? It's busy, no? Normally, weekend looks like this.
Yes. I think it's because it's still a school holiday.
Oh, right. Ni, come. Let's have a look here. Maghanap tayo ng fidget spinner ni Inday para mag-shut up na ito sila. Oy, yung spaghetti ng mama nila, mamaya pa yun. Oh, lots of toys.
Yeah, but where's fidget spinner?
Ha? We have to ask. Ayan. Gusto na naman yan sakyan ni Inday Jeannie. What? Unicorn ride. Do you want that or the metal one? Do you want that? Or we can have a look in other places. I don't know where other places is. How much is that? There's no price. A pound something, maybe. How about Jenny? Jenny, you don't need anything, ha? Because you have fidget spinner, Jenny, ha? Ah, diba? Grant requested at kanilang tatay, pasakay-sakay ako dito sa horse na nabubuang na. Naburos ko, day. Ah, bunte si mami, day. Pasakay-sakay ako ng imong daddy dito. Ha? Now. Jenny! JJ! Yeah. Jenny's go up and down. Gusto man eh, gusto. Are you scared, Jenny? Yeah? Lipong na ko, day. Wa na gyud, day. Aking pilik mata. Say hi, daddy. Jenny! Jennifer! Huh? No. Did you like it? Request granted in the Elgin, day. Oh, Jollibee for chicken burger. Oh my gosh, it's so full. We have to wait. Sobrang puno, day.
Mommy, why did he say there's no fidget spinner but there is?
I don't know, he didn't know, he said. Mag-order tayo, day. Sobrang puno dito.
Is it expensive?
Yes. Iakyat ko lang ito si Inday, day, kaya gusto niya mangihi. Doon sa taas. Itong Jollibee nila, meron siyang up and down. Ayan yung baba nila. Ito yung taas. So, medyo malaki-laki dito sa taas. Hindi masyadong masikip dito sa taas. Kaso lang ayaw namin dito sa taas. Kaya di ba ang tatay nila, ayaw nung nag-order sa baba. Nahihirapan pa ganito mga hagdanan. Okay. Na, soap. Soap, ano? Wash ng dahak. Day. Ano, day? Wala, ang sarap uminom ng tubig na malamig. Dan? Mommy's turn. Blow it, day. Dako lagi sa Inday yan. Dito na kami, Dalibidoy. Ang Inday ninyo, happy na kay Jollibee.
Stand there, wait for the food, okay?
What? What you don't want?
Mommy got you a drink in the bag.
We can share the big one, okay? What?
It's not lemon.
Na, ayaw niya makipag-share ng drink.
I want the second.
Andan na yung puday ni Inday Iljin day. Ala, kumain na si Inday Jenny. What's your food, Jenny?
I'm thirsty. How can you do that?
What's this? Mango
Crispy.
pin. Ah.
I want
Chicken, babe. Jenny, what you want? Ala. Kain tayo, day. Ng spaghetti. What spaghetti? No?
Craving.
I don't use it.
Share? Jessica, give her some. Ilog na kay isa lang man binili ng kanilang daddy na drink. It's yummy. It's yummy, oy. You like it? So, ala ka day. Grabe, Jenny boy. I think si Jenny man siguro yung kuan, nag-crave. Hoy! What?
That's mine.
Hala, galit. What?
I want to eat the
Na. Galit siya kay kinukunan yung kanyang chicken. Eat it then.
Full, yeah, Mommy. Finish that.
That's Jenny's, honey.
One day? Eat it then. She's full, really.
Yummy, yummy? Di pa din kami tapos, day. Cha, grabe Inday Jenny, bay. Ah, tapos yung drink niya, ubos na. Ubos na yung drink ni Jenny.
Yummy?
Yeah?
Hard.
Kabisi naman itong dalawa nakipag-usap nitong mga estatwa dito. Jenny! Where's Daddy now? Where's Daddy, alak? Alak ka, nagsit-sit down na dito. Maganda sana doon, oh, sa baba. Kaya meron yung mga tubig-tubig doon. Kaso hindi na kami pupunta doon. Diyan ako nag-take ng exam sa aking, ano nga yun, computer test bago ako makakuha ng exam sa aking sasakyan. Bahala, ay hiningal naman ako, eh. Ay, they have Tesco Express there, oh, lang. We can tell Daddy, we can buy some kuan there, drinks.
Okay.
There, oh, Tesco Express. Did Daddy have drink? No. We can go there.
No, Daddy got Coke. Daddy got
Are you having Jennifer?
on the back bag.
Blackberry daw. Jenny will have one blackberry honey.
I want it. I'm on the back bag.
What you want, Jenny? Tignan niyo yung fruit nila, oh. You have to put it in Daddy's bag. There. Which one? This one, Jenny?
You had the one off me.
Oh, they have this one, Jenny.
I didn't charge you for the one we're going to mark on it.
Thank you very much. I got £2.
How much is this?
£2, I think.
£2. The blueberries there are nice.
You want one of them? This one?
They have some plums there too as well.
We've got plums. We got plums.
Tomatoes, bananas.
Seagulls there.
Ha?
Seagulls there.
Lawa na. Seagulls. Si Inday Jenny na. Grabe, ang dami nila, oh. Is it?
They're all filing onto what's in it. Right.
They're eating, yeah.
Can you get in there? I've never seen that before.
Pauwi na kami. Naglalakbay na kami ng mga bata. Hold daddy please, Jenny. Ah, yan na, oh. Ang dami naming bitbit na fruits. May bitbit din si Wayne na fruit. Dito kami mag-aantay. Hindi tayo basta-basta magtabok dito kay ang iba na disgrasya baka na banggaan sila.
The light? Both of you.
No, but I
Oh, Jenny, I was talking to Jenny, you know.
Jenny, where is your princess? Na, nawala na yung princess.
Is any a bite? I'm stuck.
Don't say that. We're here. Number 2. And ayun, doon tayo galing sa baba. Maglalakbay tayo papunta dito sa Jenny, come on. Taas. Ayan. And then dito kami naka-parking day. Ito yung magandang business, oh. Pag nakapundo, naka-standby lang, building lang yung gastos mo. Tapos wala kang tao na babayaran. Ano lang, flowing ito eh. Pero hindi ko alam sa Pilipinas, mag-work ba kaya itong ganito? Kay sa Pilipinas, anywhere man tayo makaka-park, no? Yes? Uwi na kami, day. Busog na kayo ang inyong inday na burus. Nabusog na inyong inday na burus, day. Pauwi na kami, si Mr. lang yung magdadrive. At ako ay, dako ng
Is any cars
bilbil.
coming down there? Say anything?
No.
No?
No, it's safe. Home now. You can have a nap while traveling. Dako kayong tiyan, day. Ha?
Have a nap.
Don't want to have a nap?
You like naps?
Tara na, alis na tayo. Ang ganda-ganda doon sa Jollibee. Oy, ang daming tao kanina. Sobrang puno dahil pumunta kami is parang lunch time yun na time. So mag-aantay lang sana kami. Nako, hindi pwede mag-aantay. Oy, pumunta na kami sa baba. Kaya, ayun, kakain din naman kami. At maraming Filipino doon sa Jollibee. Spaghetti, pababa. Aray. Wow, pababa na tayo. Ang dumi pala nitong aming sasakyan, no? Yung windscreen.
Yeah, you could have had a practice.
Day. Naka number 4, Day. Diba? Kasi hello and we say bye-bye. Nandito sana kami kay Bayaw. Tapos wala man palang tao doon. Dito pala. Nandoon siya, oh. Nagtatrabaho doon ay. Doon si Bayaw yun. Siya yung nakikita ninyo. Nagtatrabaho sa kanyang ginagawa. Paklay tayo, Day. Papunta tayo doon kay Bayaw. Andyan sila, oh. Andyan sila, Day. Andyan si Bayaw. Ito pala yung ginagawa niya dito, oh. Ito yung trabaho ni Bayaw, Day. Uy, what happened to your face?
It's getting dirty.
It's getting dirty.
I'll ring you later then, dude.
Alright, you in the car.
It's so nice.
And I got this.
Yeah.
You're not smoking.
Nice. Very nice.
Smoking.
What smoking mean? Oh, wow. Hala, how did you do that? Just one thing you can't do.
Have a baby.
Finding a wife.
Having a baby.
Having a baby. We're having a twins.
Unless I decide.
Craig, we're having a twins.
Unless I decide to go big and become Dunland.
Baby twins. Come on then. Say bye-bye, Uncle Craig.
You don't have to rush off. I could do with a bit of a break. Because it's having resin.
All
It's
right.
having a coat input on there. to stop all the weeds. If it-
Ah. So you have to put something at each of these?
Yeah, in there. Yeah.
Oh my
sand.
gosh.
But it's really fine sand. You brush it in, it just falls in.
Right.
And, have a look.
Hi! Bibiyaan na nila ako, oh. Hi!
He's always rushing off, isn't he? He's always got like, oh, I gotta go.
You're rushing off lagi. So you can step here?
Yeah.
Who bought this one, them? The owner?
The tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Maple. It's nice, Jessica. So what's this one, Craig?
Mothballs, because there's a cat pooing in there.
Ah. They put something.
You gonna climb up that mountain?
What mountain?
So who decide to design this? You or they
I did.
requested? Ah, right.
Japanese mosaic pattern.
What's this?
It's very nice.
What's this?
It's a step.
It's a step.
patio.
It's very
It's
nice.
gonna be resined. It's gonna be waterproof.
Mm-hmm.
La 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 la. What's
See how good is Uncle Craig? Oh, where's your daddy?
He's driving the car.
Driving the car.
No, he's driving the car here.
Oh, okay.
Built this little wall. I laid all these slabs.
To do it like that.
Yeah. Because they were all over the place.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, look at over across the road and all. That's what.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
What's your aunt?
Properly, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think this will stay like this forever, yeah?
Yeah, it's built the last Elgin.
Yeah.
Built the last.
What type of this? Are you gonna make this?
That's Uncle Craig made that one. This one, the pattern, it's so nice.
How do you do this?
It's very, very difficult.
Very nice.
JJ, to do.
I'm not lazy.
It really looks difficult.
Wait, aunt.
Careful.
You went the other way.
Yes, he went the other way. Yan, it's Mr. O, nag-drive.
Hi. Yeah.
Have a little sit down in the car.
Thank you, Uncle Craig.
When you go back to work next week.
There's... Paano ba gumawa ng binaki? Is... Yes, okay. I want to make a binaki, anak. Ha? Sarap kasi ito magbinaki-binaki, no? Malalaki pa siya, ay. Ayun, no? Ang lalaki niya, doy. Tag 50p lang. Ang agay, ang pinanitan na dalawa kay tag 1 pound na. Ay, same lang pala, uy. Yan, Ready na ako, day. Uy, pistol. Newborn napi. Ganito kamura dito, oh. Yan, tagwa 1 pound lang. Pero kung gusto mo nang mamahalin, day, pwede yung Pampers. Yan, sobrang mahal. Pero si Jenny at Jessica, no, na ano lang man sila, okay lang sila sa ganito, mumurahin na brand. Hindi kami masyado namili nitong Pampers dati. Sobrang mahal. Hoy, dali na ba? Dali na kay Daddy's paying. We cannot go out now. Sabi ni Wayne, pag magkaroon daw kami ng kambal, guys, sobrang swerte namin. Kay sa pamilya nila, you have twin in your family, right, honey?
Yeah.
But when you read it,
It's for ladies only, isn't it?
ladies only. Wala man kaming twin sa aming ano siguro, pero iwan ko. Baka meron sa amin. Yes? Be, give me yellow. Kung meron kaming twin sa amin, bitaw, magkakaroon ako ng twin. Sobrang swerte ng kambal ang bata ni Inday Iljin. Imagine that, may nag-comment sa akin kahapon, sabi niya, sana kambal Inday Iljin, tapos puro lalaki at kambal. Okay. Para meron daw kaming kambal na anak. Kung kambal talagtag sa kaming dalawa ni Wayne. Sa kanya yung isa, sa akin yung isa.
What should we get? 100.
Tara, day. Ako na mag-drive kay sakit na yung tuhod. Hindi kasi siya pwede mag-drive ng sobrang malayo. I'll open the window. Tagakuha ng aming shopping, oh. Responsible na kanak. Hoy! Ala, nakuha lang ko siya ng kanya, oy, para magpa-video siya na pabalik. Jenny, are you having twin sister?
No,
Twin brother? Twin?
Ah,
Magkakaroon kami ng kambal, ang Lules family. Oh, let's find out very very soon. Ang Lules family is, hala, naunsa naman ni aming siraday. Ayo? What? Oy, dagway buros, oy. Namura magikumot ng agta na. Ayan, naantok talaga ako pero pinipigil-pigilan ko lang talaga yung aking pag-antok, day. So, ayan na po, day. Hindi, ano, day, alam nyo, ang laki ng tiyan ko, oh. Marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ilang month na daw ako kay sobrang laki na daw ng tiyan ko. Yes?
I just do it in the playroom.
Did you? Okay, imagine kung... Oh, very good. Imagine kung kambal ito, day. Hello ka, day. Meron ba yung ganyan, di ba? Magkakambal sila ng anak. Oh, very good, JJ. Ito, nagkuha ko ng fig tree kasi sabi ko sa kanya, mahal ka ayo tag 2 pound, day. Upat lang kabuok. Sabi niya, if you're craving. Hala, nagbanat ko kuha, day. Ng mais, ng kung ano-ano lang. Kaya magbinaki ako. O, di ba? Maganda pala talaga maburos, no? Kay, ang cravings mo lahat, kay makukuha. Hindi ako mahihiya mag-request.
Honey?
Yes? Honey, our...
my phone, please, after the side.
What?
Pass my phone after the side, please.
Our twin baby is...
No, well, what you eat the baby, you swallow it.
Yeah, what I eat, the baby eat it as well. Your twin baby, sister or brother.
No! And how can the baby be a twin even as a boy?
They can still be twin.
Ow!
Kagaya ng dalawang itlog ba? Meron nga ang dalawang itlog, may kambal.
I don't want it to look like me. I want it to look like something else.
Okay. Jessica, did you see a twin egg? Twin egg? You know there's 2 egg yolks in one egg? Meron ganyan, kambal day.
What? No?
Pero we will find that one out soon. Nagpaano na ako, nagpa-ultrasound na. Nagpa-check up na ako. Hindi ko pa kasi natawagan ang kuan, aking GP. Aray ko. Sobrang busy namin today. Ito, doon namin to nabili sa labas. Nag-request si Inday Jessica at Jenny nito. No, Jennifer lang. Wala, ang sarap naman ng fig tree, oy. Di ba nasa Bible ito, yung fig fruit? Agoy, pustol. Ang auntie ni Wayne is kambal. Sister ng kanyang papa. Tanungin ko mama maya kung kambal ba yung, may kambal ba kami? Kay akin bitong ex, no? Hi ex, kung naminaw ka man. Ano ang anak niya? Kambal. Puro babae. Alam ko na kambal dahil friend kami ng mama ng ex ko sa Pilipinas. Friend kami sa Facebook, kaya nakikita ko pag nag-upload siya. Promise. Ang cute ng mga bata, kambal sila. Puro babae, tapos nag-anak naman sila ng lalaki. So, ayan yung akin. Ayan. Kailangan ko tawagan mo muna sa Maria. Ano yun ba? Togon na ko, day! Katogon na inyong Inday Elgin, day! Wapay pang toothbrush na. Katulgo naman ko, oy. Pero gusto ko magluto ng binaki, day. Kaya para sa aking mga craving and satisfaction, hindi ko alam paano man magluto ng binaki, oy. Nung pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas, day, naglamia sa binaki lagi. As in, sobrang sarap ng binaki. Iwan ko ba kung paano ba yan lutuin? Meron ba yung harina or kung something else? Nag-search ako, ano lang man daw? Milk, butter, at saka itlog. Yung lang daw, day. But, oy, unsaon man na paglutong binaki, oy. Basta kay lutuin ko yun. Bahala, hindi ako marunong magluto ng binaki, day. Lutuin ko yun, ilagay ko yun sa kuan. Loko, kung paano man yun galingon. Pwede ba yan siya i-shake? Yung i-blender? Blender pa na, day. Andito si Inday Jessica, si Jenny nandun sa taas. Kunin ko muna yung kanyang blueberry kay gusto nyo yung kumain ng blueberry. Andito, kailangan i-arrange kay... Ay, saan naman yung buhok? Anything. You want to choose? You want to choose the kuan? Ayan yun akin, parang pang binaki ko sana. Yan, oh. Ha? Peach. Peach. Wait, where's the peach? The peach is there. I will just give this to your sister, the blueberry, and itong fig fruit. Ilagay ko lang dyan kay akin yan. Yeah, the peach in there. Go get it ka, okay? Mommy will wash it for you. Okay? Naglaro naman sila ng ganito. Hindi sila nanalo eh. Nung last time, nanalo kami ng magkano. How much we win? 10 pound? Mayroon pang mga...
No, 20.
Hala, kapuno. Mandayaan ni among fridge. Uy, noon siya. Walang arrangement. Give me the money. Give me the Lipton.
No, not that.
The Lipton drink is yummy.
No, not that. I want my...
Na, mag-Lipton drink. Uy, okay lang ako uminom ng Lipton siguro, no? Mag-aantay lang kami dito ng saglit dahil yung ganyang daddy day nandun pa sa loob. I hope na hindi ako masyadong magsusuka, no? Gusto ko na mabili ng, anong tawag nito, ng dress ng baby. Pero masama ba yung pamahiin? Kasi ang iba kasi may pamahiin, pag wala pa yung baby, dapat hindi mambili. Tapos yung pag wala pang 3 months, dapat hindi sasabihin yung ganun ba na pamahiin. Pero kay Inday Jessica at Jenny, hindi naman ako na ganun. Oy, kay, alam nyo, si Inday Jenny at Jenny, when I found out na, diretso man nagkalat, oy, na doon sa Thailand, diretso nalaman. Dito naman kay Jennifer, kay Jennifer din, diretso din yung nalaman. At saka itong akin. Yes?
You know that funny button Jenny's princess?
Yeah. So, kailangan ko mambili ng mga bagong mga damit dahil yung aking mga damit hindi nakakasya. I think maitim lang lahat yung aking susuotin. Doon sa Thailand, pagbuntis ka, palaging nakaitim din sila. Yun yung kanilang mga kuan din. Pamahiin. Tapos meron silang, parang meron silang ano dito, yung, ano nga yun? Staple. Basta yung, ano ba? Portable. Yes? Tapos pag makita nila mayroon kang portable dahil ipapaupo ka nila kung saan talaga, sa market, sa bus, ipapaupo ka talaga nila pag mayroon kang ganito dito kasi alam nila buntis ka. Yes, why are you fighting there now? Teka lang, oy, nag-away na naman sila, day. Don't fight. Jennifer, Jessica, stop fighting please. Ito yung problema sa kanila ba kay, mommy will go this side because si Wayne na yung mag-drive day palabas dito.
But Jenny said that I hide my glass.
Jenny, she didn't hide it. Your glasses is in the house.
But I didn't say that.
No? I-check ko lang ito dahil kay anong tawag nito? Doon sa Spain. Maabtan pa tayong ugma nito day. Biyahe muna tayo. At least siya yung nag-drive day. Maka-relax ang Inday buros ninyo. Okay, nagpabuntis-buntis man. Diha, day. Another journey, another life in Inday Iljen. Somewhere. Ika lang, day. Ika lang, kailangan kong kunin yung L-plate. Kaya ang daddy nila yung nag-drive. Ito. Tapos meron pang isa dito sa harapan day. Andyan sila, oh. Wala, may alibang-bang. Pasok natin to dito. Dito kami nagkuan, oh. Ano ng uniform ni Inday dito na place. It's the new one. Dito ako sa post office day. Mag-post muna ako nito ng sa Spain ni Inday Maring. Anis kayo. Andito lang pala, malapit lang ito sa amin. 4 minutes away lang siya sa driving, pero medyo matagal siya pag lalakarin. Oo, pag drive malapit lang sa amin. Post muna ako nito. Hiya. Oh, sorry.
It's alright, no worries. No, custody, look. Yes, thank you.
Hello. Can I post this one to Spain, please?
Which one? Okay.